Acha. So in the last class, we actually learned how to calculate the total electrical energy consumed, and from there, how to calculate the total electrical bill for a particular month of a certain house for a particular appliance, right? Acha. Now we are going to solve the creative number 2, that is in 337 page of your textbook. Okay, so come to page number 337, creative number 2. We are going to discuss about it. Okay, acha. I hope everyone have come. Okay. Now I will read out the question. Alvi uses a bulb of 220 volt and 100 watt. Okay, Alvi. Let me list up the informations for Alvi. 220 watt. That means watt. Sorry, 220 volt. Volt is the unit of potential difference. So 220 volt and 100 watt. Watt is the unit of power. So power P is equal to given as 100 watt. Fine. Then during his studies for 3 hours daily 3 hours. Okay, so at first let me write 3 hours. Later, if they tell us to calculate the monthly bill, we will multiply 30 with it, no problem. Acha. His brother Alif. Okay, now we have some information for his brother Alif also. For Alif, he uses a table lamp of 220 volt. 220 volt. That means V is equal to 220 for him. And 40 watt. 40 watt power is 40 watt. And he uses it for 4 hours daily. T is equal to 4 hours. Okay. The cost of each unit of electrical energy is 3.5 taka. Cost of 1 BOT is equal to 3.5 taka. Okay, I have listed all the given information in this stem, right? Now I will look at question number C. That is, determine the current of the lamp used by Alif. Okay, so we are talking about Alif now. Okay, C number question. They want me to find out the current flow I. How I can do that? If you remember, power, the equation of power we already studied, P equal to VI is equal to I square R and is equal to V square divided by R. Now, do you see any resistance given? No resistance is given, right? So the expression which requires resistance, I will not be able to use them, right? So cancel. I will use only P equal to VI. Here I know P. Yes, I know V. Yes, I know. Then I will be able to easily calculate the current I, right? So how I can do that? I will be equal to P divided by V. Now P is power is 40, I guess. What's my duster? Achha, power is 40 watt. So 40 divided by 220. Can you tell me the answer?
0.18.
0.18. Yasmin, na? Okay. 0.18 ampere. Current ampere. So this is how we have to calculate C. Number 2, C. Anybody has any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let us proceed and see question number D. Who is more economical, Albi or Alif, considering money? Economical means who uses actually less amount of energy. Okay, those who will be using less amount of energy will be billed less, right? His bill will come less, so he is more economical, right? So we have to check. We will calculate the bill for both of them, and we will say that who is more economical. Okay. Now the thing is, if you take a look at the voltage, they both are equal, right? But if you take a look at the power, he is using a bulb of higher power and he is using a bulb of lower power. So from here you might say, okay, sir, Alvi will be having more bill, right? Okay, so Alif will be economical. But if you take a look at the time used, he is using for 3 hours, he is using for 4 hours. So in the sense of time, the bill is supposed to come for him, right? So the thing is, we have to calculate the energy, right? Without calculating, we cannot say just looking at the figures. Okay, so now let us calculate. Acha, so yes, we need to calculate the work done. It means W, right? Now W is equal to, let us say for ALV. For ALV we are calculating. Okay, for ALV it is W1 is equal to P1 T1. Okay, it is better to give them name as V1 P1 T1 V2 P2 T2 so that it does not cause any kind of confusion while we are using in the mathematical solution. Acha, as I already told you, this P has to be in kilowatt. So let us calculate the P first. Acha, did they say about month who is more economical? No, they did not say to calculate any monthly bill or something, right? So we will use it only for daily purpose. Okay, so we will keep it only 3 hours. They did not mention any monthly bill. Month, this word is not mentioned. So we will consider the daily bill only. And those the bill, the daily bill is, let us say the daily bill is less for Alif. So ultimately the monthly bill is going to be less for Alif only, right? Okay. So the answer is going to be the same. Now P1, if I want to calculate V1, I equal to which one I can use? Okay, P1 is equal to, oh, P1 already given. Why I need to calculate? P1 already given. But the thing is, this P1 is given in 100 watt. I need to convert it to kilowatt. Okay, P1 is already given 100 watt, so I don't need to calculate it. I will just put the value. But 1000 divide, I have to divide it by 1000 because I need to convert it into kilowatt. Into the time. Time is 3 hours, so 3. 0.3. So this is kilowatt hour, right? Okay. So yes. বলো
কিছু না
Tell me the answer.
1.05.
1.
0.
Okay, this is the daily cost of Alvi. Now let us consider Alif. P2 40 to convert it to kilowatt. What will be the answer?
0.16.
0.4. Yes.
0.16.
0.16. 0.16, sir.
0.16, and this is kilowatt hour, right? Okay, so daily cost of Alif is equal to 0.16 into 3.5 Tata. How much?
0.5.
0.5.
0.5.
6.
So who is more economical?
Alif.
Do you understand? Anybody has any doubt in the whole process?
No, sir.
Anybody having doubt, kindly raise your hand. Okay. 24 number problem, okay? 4 bulbs are there. So number of bulbs equal to 4. Each of 100 watt. So the power is given as 100 watt. Are used for 5 hours. The time given is 5 hours. And a freeze. Okay, a fridge. Number is 1. That means only one fridge is there. Of 250 watt, the power of fridge. So let us say this is PV, power of bulb, and PV, time used bulb. And here power of fridge, PF. Okay, that is 250 watt, right? 250 watt is used for 6 hours, and PF is 6 hours. And 4 fans are there. Number of fans, 4. Okay, 4 fans, each of 120 watt. 4 fans. Oh, আমি একটু একটা লাইন মিস করছি মনে হয়। Fridge is used for 24 hours. Sorry, fridge টাইমটা যেটা 24 hours. এরপর একটা কম্পিউটারও আছে বলতেছে, ওকে, নাম্বার of computer. How many computers are there? A computer, that means only one computer is there. And 150 watt. The power of computer PC is 150 watt. It is used for 6 hours. The time of computer is 6 hours. Achha. Then 4 computer. Then 4 fans, each of 120 watt. এবার ফ্যানের কথা আসলো, power of fan. আচ্ছা, এটা যেহেতু ফ্রিজের F, এটা FA means fan. Okay, PFA is equal to 120 watt. Okay, good. Are used for 24 hours. And 24 hours chalega. Okay, T of fan, that is 24 hours. Okay, fine. Are used in a house. These electrical appliances are connected to a meter of 220 volts. All of them are connected to a connection of 220 volts. That means the V is equal to 220 volt. This is for all. Okay, this information I can use for computer. This one I can use for bulb, fridge, and fan. For all I can use this value. Okay. So now, given that the electric bill for each unit is 6.9 taka. Okay. Cost of 1 BOT. 1 BOT or 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 6.9 taka. 6.9 na? Fine. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 month is equal to, we have said 30 days. So we cannot assume 31 or 39, 29, we cannot assume. Now, they have told us to calculate the total bill. Now, how to calculate the total bill? Okay. So we have to go step by step. At first, we will calculate the energy consumed by the bulb, right? So energy consumed by the bulb, let us say this is WB. So WB will be equal to power of the bulb into time used. Okay. So now here, power of the bulb, it is 100 watt, right? So 100 watt, I have to convert it to kilowatt into time used is 5 hours, right? But they are telling us, they already mentioned 1 month equal to 30 days. Then they have told us to calculate the monthly bill. So we have to multiply 30 with it, right? Actually, we have to multiply 30 here itself. Okay. Is equal to how many hours? 150 hours. We need to multiply 30 with all the times. We will do gradually. Okay. Now let us consider for bulb first. So here, what will be the value?
15.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
15.
15. This is 15 kilowatt hour. So for bulb, I have found the energy, right? Okay. So then for fridge, I will try to find out the energy. For fridge, it is W capital F is equal to P capital F and P capital F. So power of the fridge is 250 watt. So 250 watt, if I convert it into kilowatt, it will be divided by 1000 into time. Fridge is actually run 24 hours, right? All the time you have to make it in connection with the electrical line, or else the thing that you keep inside the fridge might get rotten. So 24 hours into 30. You have to multiply 30, right? So 24 into 30 it will be. So if I do the calculation 1, 2, 3, oh,
180
180.
You say 180.
180.
180, sir.
180. Okay. If you say 180, then 180 kilowatt hour. This is the energy used by the fridge. Then let us take care of the fan. Okay. So W F A fan is equal to power of fan into time of fan. Now power of fan, it is given 120 watt. This problem is actually rather an easier one. Okay. Because already the power is given. In some problem you have to calculate the power. In some problem you will have to calculate the power. And how to calculate the power I already showed you, right? If you remember, P is equal to Pi is equal to I square
Sir,
R.
sir, এখানে তো বাল্ব চারটা ফ্যান চারটা তো আপনি ইচ এর জন্য নিচ্ছেন
ভেরি গুড, আমি ভুলেই গেছিলাম। আমাদের কিন্তু এই যে চারটা বাল্ব 4 গুণ এনার্জি কনজিউম করবে না, আমাদের কিন্তু 4 এখানে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে। সো এখানে
তাহলে 15 ইনটু 4 করলে
এখানে ফার্স্টে একটা n মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? এই n টার ভ্যালু কত হবে যদি বলো তো? নাম্বার অফ বাল্ব n is the number of, আচ্ছা এটা nb দিই না, নাম্বার অফ বাল্ব যেহেতু let us replace it by nb, তাইলে এখানেও কি হবে? আচ্ছা I will erase and then write. So WB will be equal to NB. মনে থাকে না আসলে ভুলে যাই। Power of bulb then time of bulb. Yeah, it will be like this. Then what will happen? Equal to number of bulb is 4, so 4 into. Now 4 if I multiply 4 15 the 60. So 60 kilowatt hour it will be, right? But fridge, number of fridge is 1. Still we need to replace it. We need to show that we have put the value, that is number of fridge NF. Okay, so here it will be equal to NF, and so it will be 1 into, okay, number of fridge is 1. For here there won't be any value of n because it is 1 only. But number of fan, how many fans are there? 4. So let us represent this one by NFA. So it is NFA, then what will happen? ভালো কথা মনে করতেই যাচ্ছি না, আমি ভুলেই গেছিলাম। অঙ্কগুলো ইজি বাট একটু কেয়ারফুল থাকতে হবে। তাইলে NFA is 4 into power is 120, so 120 divided by 1000 into CFA 24 hours, 24 into 30 it will be, right? 24 into 30. So what will be the value now?
345.6 kilowatt hour.
345.6. Yeah.
345.6.
Okay, so this much kilowatt hour. Okay, so we have calculated for these three. Now computer is left. Let us check for computer. Number of computer, let us say I represent this one as NC, number of computer. So WC, the energy consumed for computer, it will be NC into PC into TC. So NC is 1, so I will put 1 into PC is 150. 150 I will replace by 150 by 1000 because I need to convert it to kilowatt. Then TC, it is 6 hours, so it will be 6 into 30, so it equal to none on the line. Okay, here itself I need to write 6 into 30. Here also I will write 24 into 30. Acha. So
27.
27.
how much?
27.
27.
Yes, today আসে according to calculator.
Okay, 27 kilowatt hour. So we have calculated all the energy, right? Now I don't need this given information anymore. So now my target is to calculate the total energy consumed. So total energy consumed, W. Total energy consumed, let us say this is W. So it will be WB plus WF plus WFA plus WC, the summation of all, right? So it will be 60 plus 180 plus 345.6 plus 27. What will be the value?
612.6.
How much? 612.
Yeah, 612.6.
612.6.
Okay, 612.6 kilowatt hour. So this is the total energy consumed. Now, cost of 1 kilowatt hour is 6.9 taka. So cost of this much energy, 612.6 kilowatt hour is 612.6 into 6.9. So multiply this by 6.9. How much you get?
1226.94. So 4226, not 56.
Huh?
4226.
26. Okay, no problem. Whatever the answer is, okay. You understand how to calculate if there are more than one appliances, right?
Yes, sir.
So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. We have less than 5 minutes, so better not to start another problem. But I think I could clearly convey the idea of calculating this electric bill for several electrical appliances, right? This is the type of problem that you are going to see in the exam, right? Inshallah, I will to discuss. We have one more class today, right? At 1:35,
Yes, sir.
we have another class, so kindly do join. I will try to discuss a little bit more difficult problem in that class with you. Okay? Okay, thank you very much for joining. Before I end the class, anybody wants to ask any doubt? Today, 17 students joined. MashaAllah. Okay, nobody wants to ask any question. I hope the message was very clear. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Kindly revise this well. Okay, and see you at 1:35 again. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Sir.